Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back. I am back, girl. Oh my God. I am back after a wonderful 4-day weekend at the NOLA Southern Experience, July 2024. Want to give a shout out to everyone that supported the event. We had a wonderful time. Thank you guys for your support. We are planning for our big 10th year anniversary, NOLA Southern Experience 2026. So stay tuned. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, are you ready to get back to work? Let's get back to work. Country Girl. The dance structure is a one-wall dance, and I'm going to say there's two parts to it. Let's get to it, guys. So, stand on this side of the room and looking in this direction. So we're going to start with 4 dips. A dip on the right with a triple step, a dip on the left with a triple step, on the right with a triple, and the left on the triple. This is how it looks. You dip right, left, 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 right, left. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 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 right, and left, right, left. Okay? So you just dipping, real simple. Okay, now we're going to move it forward and we're going to turn. We shuffle up, right, right, step left, pivot half with the left shoulder coming forward. Okay? Half turn. My left heel is up. I'm going to do the same thing I did on the right. I'm going to do on the left. My right is on the right. Weight is on the right. I shuffle left. Left, step right, pivot half. Okay? So let's do that again. Shuffle up on the right. Right, left, right. You got to step forward on the left, then pivot. Left shoulder coming forward, half turn. Shuffle left, right, step right come forward, and then pivot forward. Half turn. With the right shoulder coming forward, basically coming back to the same wall. While we're here, we're going to roll 4 times. Right, left, right, and left. Okay? Let's put that together. So I dipped 4 times. I shuffle up, step left, pivot half. I shuffle left, step right, pivot half. Then I roll 4 times. Right, left. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, and left, right. Left, right. Shuffle right, step left, pivot half. Left, step right, pivot half. Roll right, left, right, and left. Okay, now let's start moving side to side. So we're going to shuffle to the right, left, right, rock left, and recover. Then we're going to shuffle left, right, step right, left. So we did a half turn. Again, let me show you again. Right, left, right, right, left. Now I want you to step around. I don't want you to spin around. So you're basically doing the same thing that you're doing on the right, you're doing on the left. You're just making a half turn. Right, rock, recover, left, turn, right, left. So instead of rock, recover, you turn back with the right shoulder. The shoulder come back, right, left. Then we do it again. Moving to the right. You're doing the same thing twice. Shuffle right, rock, recover, left, turn, right, left. Come back with that right shoulder. You do that twice. So we shuffle right, do a rock recover on the left, right, shuffle left, right, left, do that triple step, moving to the left, and then turn back, right, left. Don't spin back, step back, right, left. I want your last step to be on your left. Then we do it again, going to the right. Right, left, right, rock, rock, recover. Left, right, left, turn, right, left. Exactly. Let's do it together. 5, 6, shuffle to the right. Right, left, right, rock, recover. Left, right, left, turn, right, left. So don't turn on that triple step. Turn right, left on the right, left. So this is a shuffle or lending. A lending. Right, left, right, rock, recover. Left, right, left with a right, left. Okay? Now, let's put it back together. All together. With the dip on the right, left. The shuffle up with the half turn. The shuffle left. With the half turn back. We roll out 4 times. Right, left. Then we do that directional turn. Going to the right and left with the shuffle. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip. 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, right 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, shuffle 1 and 2, half 3, 4, left 5 and 6, half 7, 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rock, shuffle 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, left 5 and 6, 7, shuffle right, 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, left, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. Okay, so I step right, left, adding on. I'm going to kick it forward. Right, left, out and in on the right. Kick left, right, out, in on the left. Okay, my weight starts on the left and ends on the left. So this part here is pretty much about shifting your weight. Okay, right, left, out, in, left, right, out, and in. Okay, from here, we're going to just do 2 step pivot half. Step pivot half, step pivot half. And we roll right and roll left. End of dance. One wall dance. So let's put it together with the kick. Right, left, out and in. Left, right, out and in. Step pivot half, roll right, roll left. And we start the dance over. So, here's a note for you. When you kick right, left, out and in, left, right, out and in. Shift that weight to the left so you can step right, step pivot half, step right, step pivot half. My right heel is up and then I roll right and I roll left. End of dance. Let's put it all together. So let's do a review first. We dip on the right, we dip left, we do right, we do left. We shuffle up, step pivot half, shuffle left, step pivot half, we roll right, left, left. Then we start moving side to side. Shuffle right, rock back on the left and recover. Shuffle left, half turn, right, left. We do that again. So we kind of look into the left, but you really need to go to your right. Right, rock back, recover. Left, turn back, right, left. With the kick, right into the kick. Right, left, out, in, kick. Left, right, out, in, pivot, and roll, This is a cute dance. And I know y'all be having those theme parties. Y'all have y'all cowgirl hats on, your Daisy Dukes and stuff, and cowgirl boots. This is the perfect dance, okay? So, let's put it together. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6. Move it up. It's 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4. Left, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the right. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4. Left, 5, and 6. Half 7, 8. Right. 1 and 2. Left 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kick it out. It's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Pivot around. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Country girl. You got it? I know you got it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Share this video with someone And if you haven't done so, subscribe. What happens when you subscribe? And turn the notification buttons on. My videos will come and looking for you. Like, hey, she uploaded something, okay? And you won't miss anything. Guys, stay tuned for the information about the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. It will be our 10th year anniversary. We're going big. We're going bigger. It's going to be a fabulous event. So, that is Country Girl. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.